Hi, what a wonderful sight that was to see the birds and animals so happy and cheerful. They were so happy and cheerful probably because they don't worry about tomorrow. They live for the moment. But unfortunately, or fortunately, whatever you may consider, we human beings are always worried, or I won't use the word worried, I would say concerned. We are always concerned about our future. We want a future to be bright, and therefore we try to earn more and more. And when we earn more than what we can spend, we try to invest that surplus so that it grows further. And sometimes when we don't earn adequate, still we want to save something and invest so as to secure a bright future. What I'm trying to tell you is that the desire for investment is an inherent desire in all human beings, however rich or poor that person may be. And therefore, today we shall talk something about a logical and a knowledge based approach to investment. A word about me. I am Colonel Shabbar Shahid, an army veteran with a passion for teaching finance and management. I have several courses on Udemy. I am a postgraduate mechanical engineer, an MBA in finance, a chartered engineer, a fellow of the Institution of Engineers in India, and a doctorate in management. So you can trust me that I am qualified to speak on the subject. I look forward to see you through the course.